Once you've finished your CPR class, it's time to put the mannequin up. Here's the proper procedure. First things first, you want to clean. You can use any kind of cleaning solution, any kind of wipe, Clorox wipe, alcohol wipe, whatever suits you. So first you will pull your lungs out. You just, head tilt, chin lift, pull it all out, throw it away. Next, wipe your mannequin down. While your mannequin's drying, you can remove the batteries. Do not leave the batteries in the mannequin when not in use, please. The next thing to do is to remove the head. We'll once again lift up the shoulders. Take the head out. If you see that this needs, a little cleaning in there, do that. Close your mannequin back up. Put him back in the bag like so. And you're done.